Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another crypto trading and analysis video. Today we'll be taking a closer look at what Bitcoin Ethereum prices are doing, do technical analysis, and see where the price might be going in the next coming days. We will also take a look at crypto markets in general and review some of the most recent news coming out about crypto markets and what's happening with that. If you're new to the channel, my name is Alex and I help people learn, adopt, master and profit from cryptocurrencies and NFTs. And with that being said, we will do just that in today's video. So tune in, sit back, relax and enjoy. Let's begin. Okay guys, right now we're looking at Bitcoin USD 1 hour chart, and as you might see, the price retraced quite a bit yesterday and went all the way back pretty much perfectly to our support area at 19,990, just below $20,000, retraced back from it very quickly and now is rising up again in a bullish move. So if you manage to enter on this support area a long position, you did quite well and you must be in pretty nice profits. So congratulations to you, and of course are all members of Crypto Masters VP group. Now what we see is that Bitcoin and cryptos are looking pretty bullish right now, and we might see the potential to move upwards to our target area of $22,000 right about this area. That's where the next big strong resistance area is, and that's pretty much where we're looking to take some of our profits. So as you see, it's quite a long ride towards that, so it might take quite a few days, but so far it's looking pretty bullish and we are confident in our long positions. So if you manage to enter here, you can easily take your stop loss into profit and put it somewhere around this support area of 20,300. So you'll have a free trade and basically just making some very good money. And so far, looking bullish. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. And as you see, Ethereum is pretty much following what Bitcoin is doing in terms of price movement. It does not follow as strictly the support and the resistance areas, and that's obviously because it's just following what Bitcoin is doing, and investors that invested Bitcoin, they invest in other altcoins, and basically when they buy Bitcoin, they buy altcoins. So most of the analysis is done on Bitcoin charts and altcoins just follow what is happening. So far we see Ethereum is rising in higher percentages than Bitcoin, and that's to be expected, to be honest, because of the new layer 2 solutions and all the technology that Ethereum has. It should be rising in higher percentages for the long term compared to Bitcoin especially, and maybe some of other cryptocurrency coins. Of course, there are a ton of amazing coins, so many of them will outperform Bitcoin in the long run, but Bitcoin will continue to be the top coin that everybody is looking at and trading for the most part. So that's where all the big money will be focused for the next couple of years until it will become more spread out. Sorry guys. And yeah, and as you can see on CoinMarketCap, if you check where the Bitcoin dominance, even a year from now, it was a year ago, it was about 70 to 80%. All of the money invested in Bitcoin. Right now it's just 40%, so Bitcoin is still number one coin with the most money invested, but percentages are changing and people are discovering altcoins and different coins and what they can do, and Ethereum is one of them, and it has amazing potential to outperform and to lead the crypto movement and Web3 adaptation to the next level. So if you are long on Ethereum, the next big profit area is 1,650, and that's what you should be looking at. We might get some resistance here because just a very high percentage, and we don't see as big of move, so we might retrace from there back all the way to this area in the future after some profit taking will be taking place on crypto markets. Now let's look at some interesting crypto news we got on Cointelegraph right now. And as you see, as you heard before, a couple days ago, Elon Musk finally acquired Twitter, and some good bullish news about that. There's an article I've been reading about Bitcoin price breaking out, but has the trend changed? And basically, you should read it to get more analysis. They are talking about some crypto indicators such as Bollinger Bands. I don't really follow these because for the most time they're just lagging and just basically telling what the price is telling. So it's quite useless to follow those, but they're good to make some good decisions. One of them I like to look at is moving averages, and that's where it talks about that while we are still breaking out, we are below 200-day moving average, and that if we manage to break above that, that would be a real strong confirmation of the bullish market. So will we do that? Well, we have to wait and see. We might run into very strong resistance just looking from this daily chart on Bitcoin, because we see a resistance line around here and 200-day moving average coming into at the same area. So this might cause a pretty strong retracement, to be honest, and then we'll see what the price will do if we try to attack it and then break through it with strong volume. That will mean a pretty good bullish move. So, but that's from what we see might be coming in the next few months, so not something to worry about right now. But if you're in for the long run, you should be looking at about $24,000-$25,000 area as the very strong resistance that we might encounter. Now, another news that came out is that new UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, just trying to make sure I pronounce it right after watching some of the Biden videos. So Rishi Sunak has been elected, and he is a very strong crypto enthusiast as well, and he was talking quite a lot about cryptocurrencies adaptation, and he has a very fresh view on financial markets. So this is another great idea and great news for crypto, and he can pave a way for the migration from Web 2 to Web 3 by introducing new legislations and stuff like that. So it's very interesting, and we would like to see what is going to be happening with the Rishi led UK, and if we see some adaptation, some regulations coming in, which is great because one of the weakest points of cryptocurrencies is the level of scamming that is going on. And if we have some good forward-thinking regulations, that could really boost up the crypto markets and the move to Web3 and the change of the world, to be honest. So that's another interesting article to read about on the Cointelegraph. Next, regarding Twitter news, New York Stock Exchange is delisting Twitter shares following the Elon Musk acquisition. So it was a part of the deal, nothing bad to worry about. So Elon Musk is taking Twitter private, which is, in my opinion, is a great news. He did that with Tesla last year, and the good part about companies being private is that companies can focus on their mission and their growth. Because when companies are public, their main focus is their investors and making money for their investors. So many of the companies that are public, they cannot focus on the basic ideas and, like I said, missions and the change in the world that they maybe started out as trying to make, since they have this very strong push from investors to make profits, to show their balance sheets, and as you might know, good things sometimes cost money. So if you focused on money, it can get destructive, and we've seen that with a lot of companies. across the globe, across different industries. So having a private social media platform, it's very good if we have a leader that is focused on good values such as freedom of speech and stuff like that. So we would like to see where this will lead, and this could be great. Elon Musk as well as the new Twitter CEO are very crypto friendly, and that could be amazing news for crypto markets as well. I guess Twitter will be adopting crypto in many different ways, and they are already working with NFTs. You can put NFTs and get them verified on your crypto profile, as well as many other things. They're big fans of Dogecoin, and we've seen Dogecoin rise about 30% yesterday, so that's also good news for Dogecoin. Will this be really the coin of Twitter? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But all in all, it's still great news for cryptocurrencies, since that's a very strong level of adaptation. And one of the things that I've been looking at is that Binance CEO wired 500 million to help in this acquisition deal with Elon Musk. So that's another very bullish and very interesting sign to see that a lot of crypto money is moving into Twitter and into adopting Twitter and owning Twitter. So this could lead to a very, very strong mainstream adaptation of cryptocurrencies and NFTs, which is good for us. Good for us that we are here right now before the majority of people becomes aware of crypto and becomes trusting of crypto, because one of the biggest problems in crypto right now is that we don't have as much trust as we would like to. So many people are aware of crypto, but they think it's a fad, it's a scam, and I can't blame them, because there's a lot of scams and fads that are going on. Majority of crypto projects are basically pyramid schemes. If you're looking at play to earn, move to earn, and other crypto coins, so they have this opinion for a reason. But on the other hand, cryptocurrency is amazing technology, blockchain technology is amazing, and this will lead to huge changes. And there are many different projects and ideas that are coming out that are not scams and that are helping people in many different ways, and way outperform the old school way of doing things. So that's amazing news as well. So that's it for today's video, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below this video. Make sure to like and share this video so more people can see it on YouTube and join our community. This will help us grow, and when we all grow, we all profit, so that's great for us. Make sure to do that. With that being said, make sure to join our Crypto Masters VIP group. It's free on Telegram, and make sure to follow me on social media. All the links are in the description below. With that being said, thanks for watching, and talk to you tomorrow.